Your next car could be the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.